Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Unique Creations. Um, Looking outdoors here, looking out my patio doors, and it is snowing outside here in Wisconsin. We have snow. That's the forecast for today. We have snow. I didn't know it was gonna snow, but we have snow today. Um, Hope everyone is doing well. Today I want to do another castor oil update. And this is the castor oil that I'm speaking of. This is the Heritage Store organic castor oil. This is the brand that I've been using. Actually I caught this brand here, I caught it on sale about a month ago, I believe, on YouTube. Not on YouTube, I'm sorry, on Amazon. It was on sale. A good sale too. I think we paid like $14 for them. Anyway, it was on sale. And I bought 3 bottles of it. Works really, really well. It was a lady that shared the Heritage brand with me that told me about the Heritage brand because I was using another brand, but this works just as good. So what I used it for, I had a knot under my foot that was painful under the ball of my foot and had no idea where it came from, why it was there, what caused it. And so instead of going to the doctor, because I rarely go to the doctor, I don't like to go to the doctor for certain things. I like to kind of do home remedies and take care of myself. I just don't run there for everything. I took this and rubbed it under my foot for like 2 days straight. And I have little castor oil wraps, and I wrapped it around my foot once I put the castor oil on there. So I did it for 2 days straight. Y'all, the knot is gone, no more pain. Have no idea what it was or where it came from. I just know that it's no longer there thanks to me using castor oil. Castor oil is phenomenal. You can use it for so many things. And right now I've made up a regimen. I have some aloe vera gel, organic aloe vera gel. Sometimes I make my own gel, but this is some that I bought. I bought from the health food store, and I mixed it with castor oil. And so for what I've been doing now, I noticed that I had got these lines on my face that I definitely don't want on my face. So I'm going to be doing an update on that too. So that's what I've been doing. I mixed that together, and so I've been applying it on my face to see if that's going to help. It makes your skin really, really soft. So I'm going to see if I can use it for that as a skin tightener. So also, what else did I use it? Oh, I told you guys about take the tablespoon twice a week. I also put it, rub it on my head. I also rub it. Actually, I rub it all over my body because it's really, really good. I like castor oil. And you can mix it with different other oils. If you have any other oils that you want to try, nothing beats a failure but a try. But I know the castor oil is really, really good. And it worked for that knot or whatever it was up under my foot, and it is no longer there. And I am happy to report it's no longer there just by using this for 2 days and wrapping my foot with my castor oil wraps that I have. Because I have plenty of wraps. I have the ones for the arms, one for the stomach, and one for the knees. So the castor oil really does work. I just wanted to share that with you guys. It's just another castor oil update. I'm just blown away every time I use it for certain things. It works. I also had a little knot that had appeared on my upper lip, and I didn't know where it came from. It wasn't a fever blister or anything like that. I just had no idea what it was. I applied this on and woke up the next morning and it was gone. So you might want to incorporate this into your daily routine or just have it at home. So you stay ready. You ain't got to get ready. Just always have it in your cabinet because it's so good for so many things. And I just remember growing up, my mother had it. She kept it all the time, and she used it on us for a lot of things. We even had to take tablespoons of it. So that's what I know about the tablespoon. And I ain't telling you that it's good because it's not. But castor oil is like a wonder oil, and it works really, really good. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Just another update. It's something else that I'm trying to, something that I'm mixing together. I'm going to see how that works, and then I'll share that with you guys once I see how it works. But I just want to thank everyone for watching. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please feel free to subscribe. Also, hit the like button. Just want to thank everyone for watching. You all just have a great, great, and peaceful day today. Thank you.